Okay, very good morning, everyone, and welcome to the briefing on Thursday, the 16th. So first of all, taking a look at synoptic, we can see it's quite a colourful chart over the top of us this morning. No less than a warm front, looks like it's already passed through, or passing through now perhaps. Cold front and occluded front. Looking ahead to midnight tonight, we see that's progressed not terribly far, so that'll probably be stuck over us most of the afternoon. Looking ahead to tomorrow, hopefully a bit more settled, depends on the exact timing of this cold front here. But isobars still quite close together, so we're looking at strong winds for the next few days. Further ahead, again, much the same, hopefully settled if we're in between these gaps here. Spot winds today, we're looking at slightly south of westerly, so be 2-7, about 20 to 30 knots. There is actually a couple of weather warnings issued today for Lasham, so strong wind valid this morning up until 11 a.m. And a couple for fog as well, so this is valid 12 till 2 o'clock, as in 2 p.m. And there's also another one, fog valid from 9 a.m. till midday, so that covers from 9 a.m. till 2 p.m. Pretty cloudy. Looking from above, you can sort of see the progression of these fronts here. There's a couple of lines in the cloud there, but you can see no dramatic clearance. Looks like it's on its way. And rain radar, it's not actually a massive amount. There's various bits dotted around. I think it'll be probably off and on drizzle all day. And that perhaps aligns with the public forecast, which is suggesting a little bit of rain at the moment, then 10 to 20% all the day. Fog up until 1 or 2 p.m. and then reasonably thick looking cloud with quite poor visibility and high humidity, above 90% all day. So that's suggesting quite a low cloud base. The wind starting off southwest, coming around more to the west. So if by some miracle there's a gap this afternoon, we'll probably be on 2-7. Top temperature today is quite mild, about 10 or 11 degrees, and the dew point of about 9 or 10 degrees. So we're looking at a 1, perhaps a 2 degree split there. Again, probably going to be quite low cloud all day. And that's the current view outside, rather gloomy, quite low cloud and a bit drizzly when I was out there. Current temperature at Lasham is just under 9 degrees with a dew point of 7 and 15 knots of wind from the south, so reasonably brisk at the moment. Farnborough's METAR is suggesting they're going to have scattered clouds at a height of 1,000 feet all day, so that's 700 or 800 feet above here. But up until 1 o'clock, they're suggesting 700 feet, or if you look at this tempo here, 400 feet. So that's sort of that'll be about 500 feet above here, if not lower, and rain all day. But perhaps a little bit nicer from 1 p.m. Hopefully this cloud base is a bit higher, and there might be something to be had out of it. NOTAM-wise, nothing to affect. There's quite a few dotted around here, but they could be summarised as a couple of danger areas have been activated. Middle Wallop's permanent NOTAM there. Number 16 down here is Southampton's operating hours. And there's some high intensity radio transmissions, but it's all to the south and the west, so none of that affects us. So operationally, if we do go flying today, it will most certainly be the afternoon. I can't see the morning becoming flying ball at all. We'll be 2-7. Depending on how wet the grass is, we may have to have the launch point further up here somewhere and be landing on the main runway. With the southerly component on the wind, cables will be on the south side, something like that. We do also have a 727 inbound scheduled at 13:45. I think with the conditions forecast as they are, that might be one to watch. But to be honest, I doubtful they'll be flying today. If there is anyone around in the afternoon and it does become flyable, we'll get the stuff out and we'll go flying. Otherwise, I'll see you all on the airfield another time. Bye for now.